Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Most students get confused when they hear the word limit, but it's actually very simple. In this video, I will show you how to understand limits and continuity using only numbers. No complex graphs needed. So first of all, I will define what is a limit. So a limit tells us what value of a function is getting close. So this is the limit. I will explain this by example. So we have a function as f of x equals 2x plus 1. This is a function. So we will put different values of x to get the value of function. First of all, we will put x equals 2.9. So f of x equals 6.8. Then if we put x equals to 2.99, we get values of x 6.98. If we put x equals to 3.001, we get the value 7.002. And when we put 3.01, we get close to 3, we will get value of f of x is 7.02. Now look, when x getting very close to 3, f of x getting close to 7. So we can say this is the limit. Not exactly 3, approaches to 3. So 3 is the limit that satisfied this definition. A limit tells us what value of function is getting close. So value of function getting close to 7 and the value of x getting close to 3. So we will define this concept as limit x approaches to 3, f of x equals 7. Now I will explain the concept of continuity. Now I will explain you what is continuity in a very easy and simple way. A function is continuous if it has no jump, no hole and no break. So to check a function is continuous or not, there are three conditions. First of all, f of a is any point, f of a exists. Second one is limit exists. And third one is f of a equals the limit. If these three conditions are satisfied, the function is continuous at that point. Now I will explain this through an example. If you have a function f of x equals 2x plus 1, so we will check this function is continuous at f equal to 3 or not. So at x is equal to 3, f of 3, 2 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So we can say that limit x approaches to 3 f of x equals 7. This we have find out by the previous concept of limit. When x approaches to 3, f of x equals to 7. So this condition is also satisfied. Now the third condition, that f of 3 equals limit x approaches to 3, f of x equals 7. All three answers are satisfied. All three conditions are satisfied. So we will say this function will be continuous. So now I will give you an example of discontinuity so you can understand what is continuous. If three conditions of continuity are not satisfied, we will say a function is discontinuous. Like consider a function f of x equals to x square. Now if we put different values in this function, like x equals to the 1.9, we will get 3.61. When we put 1.99, we will get 3.69601. If we put 1.999, we will get 3.996001. And when value is 2.001, we will get 4.004001. And 2.01 value is 4.0401. So you can see when x get close to the 2, f of x get close to the 4. So the limit x approaches to 2, f of x equals to the 4, and simply f of 2 also equals to the 2 square, that is 4. So these two conditions are satisfied and this function is continuous. But if we write test given f of 2 equals to the 5, but the value of the function at x is equal to 2 is 5, this is given. But in the question when we solve, we get value equals to the 4. So the actual value and the limit value both are not equal. So we get limit not equal to the value and value not equal to the. So we will say not continuous. This function is not continuous. Because the limit and the value are not same, so the function is not continuous at x is equal to 2. So this is called discontinuity of a function. I hope you understand these two concepts, limit, continuity and discontinuity. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will deep understand the more easy concepts of calculus. Stay tuned. Best of luck.